In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an individual contact manually in GetResponse. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a single contact to your list using the built-in import wizard, plus a few best practices to keep everything clean and compliant. Start by signing in to your GetResponse account. Once you're in, look for Contacts in the main menu. This is your central hub for managing subscribers, and it's where you'll create, view, and maintain your lists. Open Contacts, then choose Add Contacts. This launches the Import Wizard, which offers several ways to bring people into your account. You might see options like uploading a file or pasting a list, but for today, we're focusing on the simple manual method. Choose the individual entry option, sometimes labeled one by one. This is perfect when you only have a few people to add and want to make sure every detail is correct. The form you see will prompt you to enter the subscriber's details. Type the person's name and email address carefully. Accurate spelling and a valid email format will help prevent delivery issues later. If your account uses custom fields, like company, phone, or tags, fill in whatever is relevant for your workflow. Consistent, descriptive data makes future segmentation and personalization much easier. Before you save, check the box confirming you have permission to add this person to your list. This is crucial. It indicates you have clear consent from the contact, which protects your sender reputation and helps you comply with email marketing regulations. If you're unsure, pause and verify consent before proceeding. When you're ready, choose how you'd like to finish. Select Save and Go to List if you want to review your list right away and confirm the contact appears as expected. This is handy if you're adding just one person and want to double-check everything. If you've got a few more to add, choose Save and add another. That option saves time by keeping the entry form open so you can continue adding people one after another without navigating away. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Contacts, click Add Contacts, choose the one-by-one method, enter the details, confirm permission, and then save using the option that matches your workflow. With this approach, you'll keep your list accurate, compliant, and ready for targeted communication. If you found this helpful, follow the same process whenever you need to quickly add a single subscriber.